One of the biggest things that people don't realize is how valuable done for you really is. Setting things up for yourself takes energy, time, and skill. Most people just don't have that, particularly if you are not a tech person. And that's exactly why this program works. It gives you a fully built system where all you have to do is plug in and start using. Think of it like buying a car. It's already fueled and ready to go. No guesswork, no confusion. Just follow the steps and go. It's the fastest, easiest way to start earning online, without overheads, without inventory, and without recruiting anybody. So there's no stress. If that sounds like what you've been missing, comment ready and I'll send you the keys.